The names of these frames are Square Wire II New, and I'm going to show you how to take out and reinstall the lenses. So first thing you're going to do is make sure that your frames are setting upside down on a solid flat surface. Next, you're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and you're going to want to loosen this screw, which is between the temple and the frontal part of the frame. You're going to insert the screwdriver into the screw, make sure it's secure, then apply pressure and twist it ever so slightly to the left. You don't want to unscrew it completely, just enough to loosen up the frame. And then you're just going to pop out the lens, like so. Now, to reinstall it, you're going to have to line up the edges of the lens with the grooves of the frame. Because we did not take out the screw completely, we can turn the frame back to its original position and the screw won't fall out. We're going to line up this side first and make sure it's in its position, and then we're just going to pop the rest in place, like so. And all that's left is to put the screwdriver back in its place and re-screw it. Just tighten it up. And that's it.